Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of Google Drive. Specifically, I'll show you how to declutter your drive by deleting those files you no longer need. So, let's get started. First things first, open up your Google Drive account. Once you're in, locate the file or files you want to bid farewell to. Here's the trick. Simply click on the three dots in front of the file you want to delete. A drop-down menu will appear. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Remove. Give that a click. Then click on Move to Bin option. And there you have it. Deleting files from Google Drive is as easy as pie. Just remember, removing files only sends them to the trash. So if you're looking for a clean slate, don't forget to empty that trash too. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.